Hello everyone. Well, let me actually get this out of the vise for a second so I can talk to you about it. Just got done picking this for about the 11th time today. Anyway, what we have here is the Master M930. Now, you can see when you turn the key, you have to actually pull the shackle out. Which, I guess that's nice. I don't know. I don't really care. What we care about is picking it. Now here's what drew me to this lock. I was in the hardware store getting some plumbing supplies to fix a toilet in my house, and I noticed this as I walked by. I don't normally look at master locks or really anything in hardware stores anymore because I'm going to go ahead and tell you, American locks, and I don't mean American brand locks because I love American brand locks, but locks in America are generally crap. I've been turned on to European locks recently, and you guys know how to make a damn lock. The stuff we have here is a joke. Anyway, it says it's a level 10. And if you look on the back here, let me find it. 5-pin tumbler mechanism for maximum pick resistance. We're gonna see about that. Here's our bidding. Actually not terrible bidding for what Master usually puts out. You know, high, low, high, low. Not bad. I'll give it that. Usually when I see a Master lock, the bidding is pretty even. And, oh, if anybody's curious, Captain Morgan's spiced rum. We'll call it pick juice tonight. That will explain my fumble fuckery with the tension wrench. All right. Before we get started, cheers, everyone. Just going to be using a Peterson's number 4. Now that I look at it, I'm realizing I have not done any sanding or polishing on this pick, which is typical of most of my picks. I tend to just use them as they come. I don't spend any time polishing them up or making them perfect. I know a lot of people do, but I just don't. I don't know why. I really should. I admire some of the videos I watch of you guys. Y'all have some beautiful picks, and unless they're really rough, like some of my Petersons have come just incredibly rough. And that's not a knock against Peterson. I understand why it is the way it is. It's just how mass production works. But unless they're really, really rough, I just leave them be. Now, there we go. I don't know. Hold on. I don't know that I would give that 10. As far as difficulty goes, I would say that deserves, let's see, maybe a 4, a high 4, somewhere in there. Anyway, for a lock that has such potential, I mean, I'll go ahead and lock this back up. Let me, yeah. I'm not trying to turn this into a review video, but okay, let's start up top and work our way down. The shackle. The shackle is extremely tough. Like, not this one, but I've had another M930, and my bolt cutters would not cut it, and they are, I want to say, I don't remember exactly. They're 30-something inch bolt cutters, and they wouldn't cut it. Would not cut it. I'm sure with a grinder you could get through it really, really quick, but that's loud and noisy. The body of the lock. This lock probably weighs, I would say 2 pounds, maybe even a little more, maybe 3 pounds. It's a very, very heavy lock. Very heavy body, and in case anyone was wondering, it's ball bearings, so you're not going to shim this lock open. But the weakness, as usual with master locks, it's right here in the core. Now, the one good thing I will say about this lock, the core is removable. You can remove the core, you can repin it, you can replace the core. It's up to you, sky's the limit. But you can make this lock a very, very tough lock if you spend a little time on it. And Master has the technology. They have the capability. I mean, you see what they do with their American brand locks. Like, I don't get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand how they have level 10 on that unless they're just talking about resistance to hacksaws and things like that. But on the back it says, and I'm gonna quote it again, for let me focus on it, for maximum pick resistance. They can do better. They can do better, and they should do better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Everyone have a great night. Salute.